Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. I know I'm pretty excited because just not even a minute ago, the mailman dropped this off. As you can see, it's obviously from Chris and Suki, and took a little while getting here, but as I always say, better late than never. In fact, sometimes it's kind of good when it comes in late because you get to build up a little bit more anticipation, and yeah, it just makes you all that more happier that it actually arrived. So I'm not gonna keep waffling on. I'm just gonna open this bad boy up and see what's inside. I do know of a couple things that are in here, but I think it's a little heavier than, I could be wrong, but feels a little heavier than what I was expecting. Ooh, almost cut myself. How are we gonna do this? I think we'll just take stuff out one at a time here. Okay, I think it's just the two things I was thinking about. We'll start with this one. Look at this bad boy. That's damn, I forget what series this is. 50 something series, Medico. Without a key, but that's why I asked for it. I'm looking for a real challenge, and obviously not only a challenge to pick, but this is a really this is a lock that has a really unique method of gutting. I haven't seen anything quite like it. It's pretty crazy, and it's going to be even tougher without the key because I might need to pick it a couple times to actually gut it. If you want to see a gutting of this lock, I'll link a video that Steel Pinnings did, and it's just incredible how these are disassembled. Oh, sweet. I got another member from my studio audience. Thanks, Chris. Thanks, Peter. What do we got here? Oh, we got some key. Now, this will give away what the next lock is. Should I do the key before the lock? Yeah, why not? Wow, I've never held one of these. 102. I think you all know what that is. That's the next lock here. Actually, scratch that. I'll show that last. I asked Chris for one of these, and he gave me 4. Thanks, buddy. These, I believe, are the exact diameter for the Sparrow's pick, I believe. I don't have the Sparrow's pick in front of me, but I think it's 1.5 millimeter. And yeah. So that'll be perfect for that. Actually, all I need now is some stainless steel tubes to make a bottom tensioning pick. That's on my to-do list. Alright, what do we have here now? Oh wow. Oh, it's in pretty good shape too. Wow, well, I'll show you guys. I think Suki felt bad for me for not winning the Chris's last giveaway there. So I think she snuck this in the box. Still got the chain on it. You know what? I'm looking closely at this one, and I think this is a guttable one. I'm not sure if you knew that, Chris. See this hole here? I don't have any flashlight nearby, but tell you what, we're only at 5 minutes, and I'm really curious. Let's get rid of this stuff on my lap. Now, not sure what size that would be. If it's, well, you know what? It's probably going to be Imperial, would be my guess. Since it's made in the USA and a little while ago. Well, if it is Imperial, it's smaller than 1/16. Let's try metric. And if it's metric, it's smaller than 1.5. It's hard to see if that's a roll pin or not. I'll tell you what, I'll do another video on this. Or maybe I'll come back with a quick addendum. What a beauty lock. I think I'll be able to clean this up with some of my Oxaway. And I'm kind of unsure if I should keep the chain on it or not. I told Chris to leave it on so I could make the decision, but I might take it off. What a cool lock. Another lock I never thought I would have. Chris and Suki, what can I say? Man, you've helped me out with so much, Chris. I wish I could, man, let me know if there's anything you need. I know you said you wanted to do this for me, but please let me know if there's anything I can help you out with. By all means, don't be shy to ask. Man, I'm still in awe. Hard to say if that's a roll pin or not. I know you guys probably can't see that, but right down through this hole, right down there. You know what? I'll be able to tell if it's a roll pin if it just if it's just like a deep hole, I'll be able to tell if it's a roll pin. If it's not, I think it is an Allen key. So I'm gonna check this out, and you can be certain that I'll definitely give you guys an update once I figure out more about this lock. I know they're not that hard to pick, but they're still really, really cool locks. It's I don't know, it's pretty collectible. I think if a person's collecting locks, they should have one of these. And now I do, thanks to Suki and Chris. Again, Chris, I can't thank you enough. I'm going to actually shoot you an email right now. And everyone else, I appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate all your comments. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video. And thanks for the sticker from both Chris and Peter. Alright guys, take care.